Today I'm gonna share with you my results on Darwinex Zero. Currently I'm up from the beginning of the year, mid-January, around 17% with a max drawdown of 6.56, and currently I'm managing 70k. I started with 30 in May and then other 30 since then. This is the performance month over month. The beginning of the year it was pretty tough, so I had minus 3.2, minus 1.5, and then I got back most of the performance. But why this happened? I had only 3 algos. Now I'm managing around 10 algos on different asset class and also different strategies. At the beginning of the year, with only 3 algos, the market, it was pretty tough, so my performance wasn't that good on that part of the year. But then I got this performance, so it's much better. Now, September 17th, I'm currently number 82 out of like 9,000. It's very good. I'm on the top 1%. And I'm very close to achieving the goal Darwinia, because I'll need to reach 20% of profit. Then this is the rating for September, and it's quite good. I am like 90.25, and also this is the next capital that Darwinex is going to allocate to me. So it's like the next allocation. Maybe it's going to change. I don't know, because now it's 17 September, so it could change easily, but that's for the moment, and it's good. And this is the parameter I'm looking for, and it's the Sharpe ratio 1.57. It's very good. The analyzed return of 27.24 also is good. The next things I like to analyze is the worst day to the best day. So that's the ratio, and I'm close to 3 to 1. The worst day, it was 2.99%, and it was during Trump's tariff, so it's fine. It happened, and my algos managed that pretty good, so minus 2.99, so like minus 3%. And the best day, actually it was 8.37%. That's good. So this ratio is perfect. Also the weekly is even better, and the monthly also is like around 3 to 1. So those are good parameters, and those are the analyses of the drawdown. And yeah, it happened when I had only 3 algo, so the worst one, so it's fine. So those are the asset allocation, is like where you trade most, and here you can see that most of the time is index or commodities, because most of my algos are on XUSD, so gold, and for the index I have Nasdaq, S&P, and DAX. And also I have 2 algos on USD JPY, and actually, so those are other parameters. You can see here the weekly performance, and now I can see I never checked that before, and I can see that from this distribution on Wednesday and Friday my algos didn't perform that well, but overall I know that most of the time, most of the day of the week is going to perform very well. And this is only the performance from the beginning of the year. I tested all of the algos and put them together in a portfolio. On Strategy Quant, I analyzed that for over 7 years. So that's the thing that gave me the confidence to start this portfolio on Darwinex Zero. Here are all of the other parameters. This is kind of interesting. So it's the correlation not between the trades you took, but between you and other people. This is my ticker, and I'm very, very close to this dude here, and also to this one, and all of those. And Darwinex Zero is gonna decrease the leverage on you, the Darwin risk. So is the leverage is applying to your portfolio, and actually is 1.16. That's kind of good. Is gonna increase the position I took, give me a little bit more risk. So that's it for my Darwinex Zero account. And yeah, since January is going very, very well, I know that like in this period here, I stopped trading. I closed the Signal account because the performance it was so good that they said, okay, maybe let's stop trading for a while and get the allocation. But it was a mistake because I had the Algos active on other account and it made very good profit. I learned from that, and I'm not gonna stop trading when I see very good profit. On this account, my goal is to reach the gold status, like I showed you before, because you can attract investor capital, and some people you can see from the all Darwin, some people are managing like 3 million, like 5 million or 2. Some of them trade since 2015. Some of those people reach the same goal, at least like 1 million, 2 million, or maybe like 500,000 euro just in a few years, like 1, 2, or 3. So that's something I'm looking for, and I think I can easily reach that. Now, this is Quant Analyzer. This is the report of my portfolio. I have 9 algos. I add 2 algos, so I'm actually at 11 algos. Most of them are on Nasdaq, gold, and USD JPY. I also have like Bitcoin here, but is only on FTMO. The overall performance here, it looks crazy because it's very stable. You can think that it could be overfitted, and actually it is, but I know that it's not going to replicate the same performance. So this drawdown here, 3,500, actually this year it was around 4,500. So I knew that it was easy to get out of this type of performance. I managed to reduce the risk on each type of algos. So the drawdown, it was good for the account I'm managing, like in FTMO and Darwinex. So those are the performance over the years, and it's profitable every single years. This is the yearly P&L, and this is not updated. The last update I did, I think it was on May. A Quant Analyzer is great because you can build this type of, let's say, analytics for all of your trades. I do 8,000 trades, and Quant Analyzer is gonna build all of those type of metrics for you to understand if there is something to change, something to improve, and also those type of parameters are very good. You need to analyze all of those data to see if that's something you can trust or it's not. Okay, so now I took the performance from Darwinex and let's analyze it on Quant Analyzer. This is going to be a little different from the one you saw before because Darwinex is gonna decrease the risk and adjust it, so it doesn't seem that good because I also change risk, and at the beginning it was much higher, so it's gonna be a little different. This is the equity line of the portfolio without the sub equities. The next thing I want to show you is the sub equities only, and those are the performance on different other asset classes. And the best things to do is not only having one algo on one asset, but is having more asset class at once. So the overall profit, it's very good, and that's the thing I'm looking for. This is the trade analysis. Yeah, that's it for today. And this is the last screenshot of my portfolio with the sub equities also. And yeah, the overall performance. So that's it. See you in the next video. I hope you find that interesting, and also like transparency, because you see here everything. You can leave a comment if you like, subscribe also, and leave a like. And yeah, you can ask me something, how I build a portfolio. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.